guys, it's Caleb with RokBlokz. I'm here today with the 7th generation Jetta. This is a 2019 model year. I'm going to show you how to install our mud flaps. Alright, so here we have the mud flaps laid out. In your kit you'll get 4 mud flaps, and then you'll get your hardware kit, complete hardware kit for the full install. And then the tools that you'll need is a Torx T20 bit and a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to use this shallow mount ratcheting screwdriver so we can install it with the wheel still on the car. Alright, so locate your front driver side flap. You'll want the textured side towards the back of the car with the logo stamp. And these front 2 screws we're going to remove are the Torx T20. We're going to take them off and then we'll reuse them. Along with your kit, you want to take 2 of our supplied black washers, put your OEM screw through it, put the OEM screw through the mud flap, and mount in those OEM locations. Nice and loose to start with. Then you can adjust it in or out to your liking, depending on how aggressive you want the mud flap to look, or how much coverage you would like for it to offer. Okay. And then you'll want to take a bubble level, and with your car on a flat surface you'll want to level out the bottom and make sure that those are straight. Once they are, then we'll go ahead and make our final tightening, and then we'll move towards the rear. Alright, so to begin with the rear, we're going to remove this screw, and then there's one located on the underside of the car. We'll remove all 3 to begin, and we are only going to reuse the lower screw down here. And I'll show you what that does here in a sec. Once you have that 3rd screw removed, we're going to go ahead and prepare our bracket for that lower hole. You'll take your red clip, place it over the shorter side of the L bracket. The longer side is going to meet up with that lower mounting hole. And so once we have it like this, it'll be easier to pre-install the bracket onto the flap loosely. Let's go ahead, take a washer, take your 1-inch screw, go ahead and get that started. You'll want to switch your tool over to the Phillips drive and go ahead and we'll get this in there loosely. Leave about an 1/8 inch of the screw just for a little bit of play and movement. And from there we're going to go ahead and take our lower mounting point, put a screw through, and on the back side we're going to take the supplied spacer, and we're going to go ahead and set that up here into this lower hole. And now with everything loose, we can go ahead and reuse one of these one of these OEM bolts for the lower mounting point and put it straight through the bracket. Alright, so you'll line your bracket up with your OEM mounting hole. In this one, we will go ahead and tighten all the way down. This one requires the Torx T20 bit, and now we will go ahead and make our final adjustments to the flap and tighten it down with our 1/4 inch bit, or not 1/4 inch, but our Phillips head. adjustment that we want. There we go. Check, make sure it's level, and just tighten those down. Repeat for the other side, and your mud flaps are fully installed.